Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to hop in real quick because I haven't had a lot of time lately, and I'm going to film a couple videos. I haven't had time lately. I started my summer school, and that's literally every day, and it's very intensive because they take a whole semester and they put it down into 5 weeks. So I'm a little bit stressed out, and a little busy because I've been working more, and with all this going on, it's just a mess. But I still am trying to put content out for you guys. So you're going to have to pardon my face. I've had this on since about 8 o'clock this morning. I woke up around 7:30, 7:45 and put this on, and it's now 10 o'clock at night. So it's been on a hot minute, over 12 hours, and this is what we're dealing with. So you're just going to have to get over it. Okay, but today we are going to do my, what month is this? May? May's Boxycharm unboxing. We got some goodies this month. I know I've already opened it. I don't like here. This month's theme is Boxy Bash. This month we actually got 6. Technically, it says we have 6 products. We got more than that. So literally, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, do you literally live under a rock? Because it's the best thing ever. Like, it's $21 a month. It's a subscription, and they send you usually like 5-ish full-size products every month, and it definitely retails for more than what the box is worth every single time. Like this month, all but one of the items is over the $21. So even if you order like one thing in here, you're getting your money's worth. So let's just go ahead and hop in. The first thing that we have is this pure sculptor palette. It says it's a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. It retails for $30. This is what she looks like. These are going to be way too dark for me, but I will swatch them anyways. Like, that is way too dark. This one we might be able to contour with, but the other ones, let's just swatch. Okay, so they're not like as blingy as I would like them to be, the highlighters, but maybe like if they were wet with Fix Plus, and granted this is just finger swatches, we might get a little use out of it. I'm not going to put it on now because I'm already looking real shiny because, you know, it's been like 15 hours. And that's more than anyone should ever have their makeup on for. But, you know, you do what you got to do. It's been a long day. I had school and then I had work and then I have a dinner for my birthday because my birthday's in 2 days. And, well, by the time this video is up, my birthday's probably passed. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll edit this video tonight and get it up tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, so that's that. Moving on. The next thing is this Aesthetica brush. It says it's a P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. And honestly, I really like this. It's like, it's pretty big, and it's not like crazy flimsy, but it's not crazy dense either. I think it would be nice for blush or maybe bronzer. So I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried this one yet. Some of the stuff I have tried out. This one I have not. So I'm pretty excited. Let's put that in my little cuppy cup up there. The next thing is this Cover FX blurring primer. I do already have this, so I'm going to put this in my extras little bin. Let me grab the one I have, actually. This one I got in a gratis, I believe, or maybe another box. I don't remember. I think it was gratis. When I won that big thing. It is tinted. It has a little bit of a smell to it, but it's not strong at all. Like, you really have to get close to it, and I guess it's pretty, it's blurring. It's not, like, crazy, but I would have to, like, use it more, because honestly, I haven't used this much. Sorry. Cover FX, like, it's not my first thought when I think of primers, but maybe soon I'll use it, okay? The next thing is this eye trio. It retails for $45. So this is why I said that we technically got 6, but not really. Like, this is 3 products that they consider one product. It says this Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye, with the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. No, use the brow brush. If I could get this out. So I have already used this this brow brush. I don't think I used it for brows. I think I used it for something else. I don't remember. but it was pretty nice. It's pretty stiff. The only complaint is that it's pretty wide. Like, that's pretty wide for an eye brush. I mean, like an eyebrow brush. And then, of course, your average spoolie, like, literally, I don't need a spoolie on a stick. But, and then we got an eyeliner brush, which is kind of stiff. It has something on it, like, flaking off, like glue almost. That's weird. And this kind of, I don't know, it looks kind of like not like it's got it together. It doesn't really, like, that's not going to be a very sharp eyeliner. But what do I know? And then next is this eyeliner. It's by Pretty Vulgar. It says it's the ink gel eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with a rich vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Retails for $24. This is actually pretty difficult to get open because it confuses me. Like, you have to like twist it at the right way and then pull it off. But there's like, you can see in there, it's a pretty, and I think I used this the other day. Let me just take this, honestly. Like, that's pretty good. It's pretty nice. It does like smudge easily. Like, but I don't know, like once it sets it might be okay. So, we shall see. I don't know what the reviews are on it, but who knows? It could be really good. The packaging's kind of big. Like, it's cute because it's like an inkwell, but it's big as well. And last but not least, we have this, it says Boxycharm on it, so I'm assuming they like partnered up. It's the Beauty Creations Liquid Lip Gloss. Retails for $10. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long-wearing for an effortless color that complements all skin tones. Let's try it on. It says it's cruelty-free on the side, so that's good. It smells like a candy I ate when I was younger. Oh my god. So on camera it looks pretty good. In person it's not my favorite color. It's like a kind of raspberry color. Okay, so I just went up, messed up, and overdrew. But it's fine, because we're going to take it off anyways. The packaging isn't the cutest, but I mean, it looks okay. It feels kind of dry already. Like, and you can see, like, the lines of my lips, but I mean, it's not too bad. I might wear it again. But, yeah. So, with that being said, let's tally up this month's box total. This won't come off. It dried down really fast, which concerns me because that means it's probably going to get really dry during the day and like crackly. Oh, like a hot mess. Anyways, let's total this out. We have $30 for the palette, $38 for the primer, $24 for the eyeliner, $45 for the brush trio, $27 for the single brush, and $10 for the lip gloss. $174 total. That's not bad. For a $21 box, and then there's coupon codes, so you can get 20% off Cover FX with the code BOXY, and you can get 15% off Pure with Boxy May. So go ahead, guys, use that, and yeah, like leave a comment down below if you got something different in your box. I think my sister got like an actual gloss in her box, not the matte gloss. But yeah, that is it for this month. thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and check out my Instagram. It's all at Make Up My Smile. Alright guys, bye!